Google announced a new feature for its phone app called Verified Calls that is designed to give consumers more information for when a business is calling. When a participating business calls, it will give the consumer four different things. The first is the company's name, second is the branding, third is the little verification badge that shows the company is verified, and fourth is the actual reason for why the business is calling in the first place. Welcome back to Sonic Insights, where we cover audio, voice, and hearable tech news. Compatibility. The Verified Calls feature comes preloaded on Pixel and Android One phones, but can be downloaded via the Google Play Store on a limited set of additional phones that are running Android Pie and higher. Value proposition for consumers and businesses. For consumers, the value is huge. The first value prop is that you get to avoid all of those different pesky spam calls in the first place. The second is that it gives you more ability to decide whether or not you want to engage with a business based on the context for why they are calling you in the first place. For example, you may want to answer a call in regards to some sensitive account information, but you may avoid a call that is just a sales call. There's also a lot of value for businesses that use this service. Ultimately, customers are a lot more likely to pick up a call if it's a verified call. And, given that Google is getting a lot of data from businesses to make this thing work in the first place, there has to be that clear value prop for businesses to want to use this service. Ultimately, there has to be incentives that are clearly aligned between the business owners, Google, and customers alike. How it works and rollout. Before a business can call you, it sends Google's server three different things: the business's phone number, your phone number, and the reason for the call, such as ordering food or setting up your internet. Google then sends this information to your phone app. When the business calls you, if the information that the business sent Google matches the information that the business is now sending you in the call, then it'll show up as a verified call. And then minutes after the verification, your phone number and the call reason is deleted from Google's Verified Calls server. Businesses that opt in are able to call individually or in bulk. However, there are checks in place to make sure that the bulk feature is not abused. And this Verified Calls feature is rolling out in the United States, Mexico, Brazil, Spain, and India, with more countries to follow on soon. For an efficient way to stay up to date with audio, voice, and hearable technology, subscribe to our newsletter, podcast, and YouTube channel by checking us out at sonicinsights.co.